guys, I'm Zoya. I'm here to discuss about verb. As we know today, verb is an action and verb is an action. And as we learned in our level 2, that no sentence can be created without a verb. So let us know about the chart of the verb. Basically, verb is divided into two types, that is auxiliary verb and main verb. Auxiliary verbs, if we look at the auxiliary verb table in our level 2, we will know about that some of the auxiliary verbs are kept in boxes and they are called, they sometimes play the role of main verb. And the secondary point is that verb, there are two types of verbs, auxiliary verb and main verb. And auxiliary verb shows time, main verb shows action. There are two types of, again the auxiliary verb is divided into two types, that is verbs auxiliary verb of doing, auxiliary verbs of being and having. And coming to the point of main verb verb of doing. Again main and only auxiliary verbs are only 24. And in some of them they might play the role of main verbs. Some of them may play the role of main verb. And let us come to the point of main verb. Main verb, as we know, it's the action and it shows the action. Main verb is again divided into two types, that is transitive and intransitive verb. In transitive, which shows which contain object, and intransitive, which doesn't contain object. Again, these transitive and intransitive verbs are divided into two types, that is active voice and passive voice. Transitive verbs contain both active and passive voice, but intransitive verb contain only active voice and does not contain the passive voice because intransitive verb does not have object. This is all about verb. If I had done any mistake, sorry, and thank you for giving me so much.